When considering Kayako for your help desk needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. With so many options on the market, like Zendesk and Freshdesk, you'll want to weigh the pros and cons carefully to ensure Kayako is the right fit for your business. First off, Kayako offers a more personal approach to customer service with a unified inbox that consolidates emails, live chat, and social media interactions. Unlike Zendesk, which can feel a bit more detached, Kayako brings everything into one stream, making it easier for teams to stay on top of customer issues in real time. But this may be overwhelming if you're managing a high volume of tickets. Next thing to consider is its customization options. Kayako gives users the ability to create a branded support experience, which is great for businesses looking for a tailored look and feel. However, compared to Freshdesk, Kayako lacks a more intuitive interface for setting up custom workflows, which might require a steeper learning curve if you're not familiar with help desk software customization. The third thing is its integration capabilities. Kayako integrates with major apps like Slack, Shopify, and WordPress, making it a solid choice for businesses with existing tools. However, if you're looking for more advanced integrations, like with Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics, Kayako may be limiting compared to other software, which offer deeper integrations. The fourth thing is automation. Kayako offers automated workflows, but its automation features are not as advanced as competitors like Zendesk, which has more robust, customizable automation tools. So, if automation is a top priority, you might want to consider other options that can offer more flexibility. Now let's talk about pricing. Kayako's pricing is straightforward, but it can be a bit on the higher end, especially when you consider its limited features in comparison to some other platforms. If you're just starting out or need a solution for a smaller team, alternatives like Freshdesk can be much more affordable with similar features. The sixth thing is Kayako's reporting and analytics. While it provides standard reporting, it lacks the depth of insights that Zendesk offers with its more advanced analytics capabilities. If data-driven decision-making is crucial to your business, you may want to opt for something that offers more advanced reporting tools. The seventh thing to mention is the support options available with Kayako. Their customer support is reliable and offers 24/7 assistance. However, it's worth noting that Zendesk often gets better reviews for its support and response times, which could be a deciding factor if you're looking for top-notch customer service. Next up, Kayako offers a mobile app, but it's not as robust or feature-rich as the ones offered by Freshdesk or Zendesk. If mobile accessibility is a must-have for your team, you might find the Kayako app limiting. The ninth thing is its ticketing system. While Kayako's ticketing system is fairly standard and easy to use, it doesn't offer the level of sophistication that Zendesk's ticketing system provides. This might not be a huge deal for smaller teams, but larger teams handling complex tickets may find it a bit restrictive. The 10th thing is its collaboration tools. Kayako provides basic internal collaboration features, but it's not as advanced as what Freshdesk offers, with more customizable team collaboration options and more integrations to help with cross-team communication. The 11th thing to know is its multi-channel support. While Kayako does offer live chat and email support, it doesn't provide the same depth of social media integration as some of its competitors, like Zendesk, which allows for deeper social media management within the platform itself. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Kayako is ideal for smaller to mid-sized businesses. Larger enterprises might find that the features are not as scalable as competitors like Zendesk, which is designed to grow with your business needs. Kayako is a solid option for businesses looking for a simpler help desk solution with decent customization, ticketing, and multi-channel support. But if you want a better, more flexible solution with deeper integrations and automation, check out our recommended software that you can try for free.